Sri Matre Namaha. Nowadays, the most dreaded disease which is making everyone having sleepless nights is Corona. And most of the people have apprehensions, fear about the future, and also manifest so many things which are they seeing outside in front of their eyes. This video is exclusively made to give some suggestions to all those people who may be or who are being affected by the corona, to take the support of that invisible source. You call it God, you gave it any other name. There is a source about which we know nothing. That spiritual energy is also being researched upon and found that it has some effect on our body cells and it creates some resistance power. So let us see how spiritual energy can be used to mitigate the sufferings of the people caused by corona. Please don't misunderstand me by reciting these mantras or doing this ritual. You don't need to take tablets or you don't need to follow precautions. Karmanye vadhikarashe, Bhagavad Gita says. You do what you have to do. But at the same time, when your back's up to the wall and you have no way to go, many singers, devotees, they told there's only one way. Looking at the universal parents, that's God. So there is a hymn called Lalita Sahasranamam, 365 lines. In that, every line has got power to cure some illness or some deficiency. Like Manikya Mukutakara Janudvai Virajda, it can reduce the knee pain. But this particular corona is not known to us 1 year before. It's new. We don't know what to call it. So, for all those unknown diseases, there is one line in Lalita Sahasranamam which is Sarvavyadhi Prasamani Sarvamritu Nivarani. If you put this line, it's called Samputi-karana. If you read Lalita Sahasranamam, putting this line front and back, joining this line both in front and back, it'll take about an hour. You can recite or listen to the audio, the link of which we are enclosing along with this video. In fact, all the mantras which you have been told, the links will be provided along with the video. So, if you just recite, holding some material, you call it vibhuti, you call it sandalwood powder, because you know, man is karmic oriented, buddhi jivi. Normally, apavitra pavitrova sarvavastangutova yasmaret pundarikaksham sabahya abhyantara suchi, there is a mantra. That means by saying pundarikaksha, you are purified both in and out. Then why do you sprinkle water on your head? Because unless I do something, I don't get connected to the mantra. In the same way, unless I hold some kumkum or vibhuti or turmeric or some sandalwood powder, something, I don't feel connected. Then of course that's fine. So hold that and then recite or listen to this and then put that kumkum or vibhuti onto the forehead of the patient. And the energy which that material has got from the recitation of this hymn, which has got sound waves, which activates the cosmos and generates certain spiritual energy that will be transmitted to the patient. Of course, the medicines will do their best. And this acts as a supporting energy to hasten up the process of recovery. And also, number one, you have confidence. You know, in riot-ridden area, you have somebody, a bodyguard, like bouncer with you. You walk like this. I don't have any fear because I have people to protect me. In the same way, when you have a mantra with you, when you have a spiritual process with you, your fear of the future because of corona will definitely be reduced. In case, if it is not reduced by this mantra, there is one more mantra in Sri Vidya which is called Varahi, and you need to play it 24/7 in your house. And also, we are enclosing Varahi picture. You need to take a printout and hang it onto any wall where the patient can see the God continuously. How it acts? Of course, the sound waves from the Varahi have got its own effect. But the picture, like when you see the picture of your parent, you get some love and devotion, even though they are not in front of you. In the same way, when you see the picture of this goddess, you have some feeling of protection, confidence, and you don't think about the future. You don't manifest ventilators. You don't manifest lung capacity coming down. And that's for sure. Suppose, for some reason, due to the karmic effect of your past, you get into a situation where you have trouble for breathing, oxygen levels are going down, then very recently, one mantra has come to our mind. And it's called Ajapa Gayatri or Hamsa Gayatri. And that's going like this. Om Hamsa Hamsaya Vidmahe Paramahamsaya Dhimahi Tanno Hamsa Prachodayat. Here the beauty of the mantra is, normally we just give the meaning, Paramahamsa means the great realized soul. But Tanno Hamsa Prachodayat. Hamsa means, another meaning is breath. So, improve the breath in me, in this patient. So, Hamsa is directly connected to the breath. Trust me, it will work like a miracle, provided you have the belief. Very recently, one of our members, organization members, her father was affected by corona. 60% lungs have gone, and then there are eventual things talking about handing over the body, cremation. They have gone to that extent. That's a sad state. It's not yet over, but they call it, it's over. The game is over. At that time, it occurred to me, why not recite? Anyways, you lost it, right? So just one more step. Instead of taking the ventilator out, put one more step. There are all the family members, friends and relatives. It's a collective prayer. Even the normal materialistic life, if one person says, I don't like this rule, nobody listens. The whole mass of people go and protest. The government will change the rule. In the same way, a bunch of people reciting at the same time for the safety of the patient will create the vibrations in that unknown energy. And what happened in this case is, the situation from highly critical came to stable. Now the people are not talking about cremation. The people are talking about, it's working. Let us recite the mantra more and more. So you do your duty. You have your steam inhalation, vitamin C tablets, fruit juice, and protein food. Take enough rest, everything as per the doctor's prescription. But it'll be nice if you have the support of an unknown spiritual energy, just to boost the confidence. Something else is there. These doctors, this medicine, this whole system of science is also created by that unknown. As this disease is created by the unknown, only the creator knows the solution for the problem. This problem is caused somewhere. The solution is also there. So let us start any one of these methods and prescribe this too. But again, fine print is, let us not stop the medicines, but as a booster dose, these spiritual practices can help. And definitely my confidence, our confidence in God is, when you hold, like in Markandeya, what happened in Markandeya Puranam? The god of death, Yamadharmaraja, came to kill him. I mean, as a natural death. take his life away. But this boy has embraced this Shivalingam so tightly that Shiva has come out of the Shivalingam, and then Yamadharmaraja could not do anything. Of course, that's a fiction, that's an epic for some people. But then it gives a hidden message. Hold the legs of the God unknown. Something impossible, what you think, also can happen. Miracles can happen only when you have belief. The birth of a child is a miracle, and we are seeing it in front of us. Let's have that belief on that unknown force and handle this difficult situation peacefully and happily. Sri Matra.